LinkedIn is a social media channel for professionals and currently has around 850 million users in over 200 countries. So, with that said, have you ever considered using LinkedIn as a platform for hiring the right people for your organization? Well, if not, maybe it's time to take a look at LinkedIn's job posting feature. Hey guys, Stewart here, welcome back to this channel, and if it's your first time here, thanks for joining me. Now today in this LinkedIn job posting tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to create and post a job on LinkedIn for free so that you can attract the right talent for your small business. Okay, so before you go ahead and launch into LinkedIn, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already or if you're new to this channel, and that way you'll stay updated with actionable videos and tutorials designed to equip you with the skills, knowledge and tools to help your small business thrive online. And with that quick note out the way, let's go ahead and launch into LinkedIn's job posting feature. Okay, so let's go ahead and post a job for your organization completely for free using LinkedIn. The first thing that you want to do is head over to your browser and type in linkedin.com and sign into your LinkedIn profile. Now, if you currently do not have a LinkedIn profile, you'll need to go ahead, sign up and create a free LinkedIn profile. And once you've arrived inside your LinkedIn profile, what we want to do is navigate over to Jobs. And under Jobs, this is where LinkedIn users can search for specific jobs that they want to apply for. However, we're in a position where we want to create and post a free job on LinkedIn to attract the right talent into our organization. Okay, so to post a job for free on LinkedIn, simply navigate over to the left-hand side and you can click on Post a Free Job. Now, if we navigate over to our profile in the top right-hand corner and click on Me, and then navigate down to Job Posting Account. This is where we can post jobs on LinkedIn. We can also manage our existing jobs and manage all the applications that we've received. However, what we're going to do is navigate over to the left-hand side and click on Post a Free Job. And here we can add basic details about our job opportunity. Simply navigate up to Job Title and add the job title. And for the purpose of today's tutorial, I want to hire a WordPress developer. So once you've added the job title, come down and add your company. Go ahead and search for your company. And here's the company that's hiring. This is a company page that I created in the past. Now, if you currently do not have a LinkedIn company page, what I'll do is link a beginner's tutorial up above and down below in the description that will guide you through the simple step-by-step process of creating a company page on LinkedIn. So go ahead and check out that tutorial if you currently do not have a company page. Then, once you've created your company page within LinkedIn, go ahead and add that company page up here. Then come down to workplace type and go ahead and select the drop down. What is the workplace type? Is it on-site, hybrid or remote? This is going to be a remote position, so I'm going to go ahead and click on remote. Then navigate over to employee location. Where are the employees that you want to hire? Are you looking to hire someone from anywhere globally, or are you looking to hire someone from a specific location? This could be a country or state. I'm going to go ahead and type in New Zealand. Then come down to job type. This is going to be a part-time position. And so as you can see, I want to hire a WordPress developer for the company Syndio Media. This is going to be a remote position and the employee needs to be located in New Zealand, and this is a part-time position. Then come down and click on Get Started for Free. And next, what we want to do is add a high quality description about our job position. Here we have some tips that you can follow. I'm going to go ahead and add a brief description. And as you can see, I've gone ahead and added a brief description of this job opportunity example. If we navigate up to the top, you also have some basic formatting options. Okay, so once you've added a detailed description, simply navigate down to skills. This is where you want to add keywords related to the skills that the right candidates must have. Simply come down and click Add Skill and start typing in that specific skill. And I'm going to select WordPress Design. Then navigate down and select how you heard about LinkedIn jobs. I'm just going to go ahead and click on Online Ad Search Engine. Then you can come down and click Preview to preview your job. I'm going to go ahead and click on Next. Then here, what we want to do is make sure that we're attracting qualified applicants for this job position. First, simply navigate up to Application Collection. How do you want to receive applicants? We can click this drop down and click on At an External Website, but we're going to select by email. We want to receive our qualified applicants via email. Then navigate over to email address and add the email address that you want to use. For example, if you have someone in HR that oversees and manages the hiring process, then go ahead and add their email address in here. Now, because I'm a small business owner, I want to manage these applications. So I'm going to go ahead and add my email. Then simply navigate down to Screening Questions. Here, what you want to do is add at least 3 screening questions for your applicants to answer. For example, the default 3 screening questions we have at the moment is, what is your level of proficiency in English? We have conversational, and we can choose if this is a must-have qualification. So the ideal answer here would be native or bilingual. Again, you can add the language in here based on what you're after. Down here, we have how many years of work experience do you have with a specific skill. And the skill down here is business. For me, what I'm going to add is WordPress development. And once you've added the skill, we have the ideal answer over here, minimum. So how many years minimum of work experience? I'm going to go ahead and add 3 years. And this is a must-have. And then again, down here, we have the same question. How many years of work experience do you have with a specific skill? And this skill is going to be called SEO, search engine optimization. Then over here, the ideal number of years will be 3 years. And this is also a must-have. Then if we navigate down the page, we can add additional screening questions. For example, if we navigate over to education, we can add, have you completed the following level of education, and add the degree type. And the ideal answer is obviously yes, and then we can choose if this is a must-have qualification. And then you have more screening questions down here. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this question. And you want to add at least 3 screening questions. However, depending on the nature of your job position, you might want to add a lot more. Then simply navigate down to qualification setting. If we turn this on, this will filter out and send rejections to applicants who don't meet any must-have qualifications. And you can see that information down here that's going to be sent. Then navigate down the page and click on this drop down. And this is an option based on your personal preference. If you add yes, you'll have this photo frame over here on the left-hand side, and LinkedIn will notify your network that you're hiring, as well as feature you on jobs and add your active jobs on your profile. Or you can come down and click do not add the photo frame, but LinkedIn will still notify your network that you're hiring and feature you on jobs. I'm going to go ahead and click here. And again, this is based on your personal preference. Then come down and go ahead and preview your job application before navigating over to post your free job. Then we have the option to promote this job listing if we like. However, for the purpose of today's tutorial, we're not going to cover the promotion feature. We're going to navigate over to select free and post this job completely for free on LinkedIn. Again, we're going to navigate up to no thank you. And then you have the option to add your profile to your job post. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. However, again, this is based on your personal preference. Then down here, we have the option to allow LinkedIn to better assess our applicants' skills. I recommend keeping this enabled, and that way you'll receive high quality applicants for your job position. Then come down and click on Save. And that's going to take you to this job information page. We can navigate over to View Applicants to view the applicants that have applied for this position. And we can also go ahead and close job. If we click on these 3 dots, we can come down and share this job opportunity in a post on our company page or personal profile, or we can navigate down and we can copy this link and share it across different channels and platforms to reach more potential applicants. You can also navigate down and view what your job will look like as a candidate. Now, if we navigate up to me, our profile up here, and then navigate down to job posting account, that's going to take you to all your jobs. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on this job that we just posted. And again, that's going to take you to the job information page. You can also navigate over to settings and go ahead and customize these basic settings. However, that is everything we wanted to cover in this LinkedIn job posting tutorial. Remember, LinkedIn is a great way to reach more potential applicants and to attract high quality talent. And there we have it, guys. That is it for this LinkedIn job posting tutorial. Now, if you have any questions about this process, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this tutorial all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel. And that way, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.